Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make albóndigas verdes. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our meatballs. To a large bowl, add 2 pounds of lean ground beef. We're going to season with 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, oregano, black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and salt. To that, add 1 cup of uncooked white rice, 1/4 of a cup of chile verde, 2 eggs, 2 minced garlic cloves, half an onion, and a bunch of cilantro. Or you can use hierba buena. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Once it's all well combined, we're going to divide our meat and shape our meatballs. Okay, just make sure that they're even sized so like that they cook evenly. Once we have our meatballs, we're going to set them to the side so we can make our tomatillo sauce. To a blender cup, we're going to add 2 Anaheim roasted peppers, 4 chile poblanos, roasted peeled, chile jalapeño o serrano, I'm using 2, 10 tomatillos, cut them in half an onion, 4 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, 1 cup of spinach, chicken bouillon, salt, oregano, cumin, thyme, and marjoram. We're going to be blending with 5 cups of water. Now blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have that, now we can get ready to make our caldo de albóndigas. Okay, to our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to add our sauce and 6 cups of water. We're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, once our broth comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we're going to get ready to add our meatballs. So just carefully drop them in. Okay, once we added all of our meatballs, we're just going to bring it to a simmer one last time. Once it comes to a second simmer, we're going to skim the top. Now here I like to add my corn. So I'm just going to add it. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Along with my corn, I'm going to be adding 1 bay leaf. Now reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to add our 3 medium potatoes, 3 carrots, and 4 celery sticks. Okay, we're just going to give it a quick mix. And let me tell you that it already smells delicious. Going to cover it again and allow it to continue cooking for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to add our 2 calabacitas. And here I'm also going to be adding a handful of cilantro and 2 chile de árbol. Just going to cover it again and allow it to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. And after 5 minutes, all of our vegetables should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check the potatoes and the carrots. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious caldo de albóndigas. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so flavorful, and it is not spicy at all. But of course, if you could always make it, by adding more chile serranos. But for me, this is honestly perfect. Everyone gets to enjoy it. And you can always serve it with some Mexican rice or just enjoy it like that. Of course, with some lime juice, chopped cilantro, onion, but I am so ready. Just dip it in there. Got my taquito de meatball. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. The meatball is so flavorful. It's juicy. It's not dry. It's so moist. It's honestly so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious albóndigas verdes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.